Okay, so as you see, I got the wheel wells done. Got the sides done. Have the wheel wells in there. So see that. There's the truck right here. See that? It's probably gonna be more like that. It's gonna be an off-road recovery truck. Service truck. Okay, so I'm actually starting on the front of the truck. You see, here's the front bumper right here. Right there, the front grille. Gotta cut that out and do some cool things. Hood. I'm gonna take some pieces and kind of do that. That's what I'm going to do right now. Hey everyone, so as you see, I finished the hood now. So this is the bumper. There's the main part of the truck right there. There's that. See, the hood is here. See, I had to put those weights on it for the hood to actually close with its own. See? And then, if you go down there, it has a stick that I can hold the hood up. You see? Now here's the side. I connected the hood to the bed. You can make a door right here. That'll open. See, that's how this is. So yeah, here's a real toy Ram. You see, I'm kind of modeling it after. You can kind of tell there's some nerves. Yeah. Alright, well, see you. Okay, so look. So here's, as you see, Ram emblem on there. The sides now. I'm not sure if we're going to put it on. I haven't yet finished that. Okay, so as you see, here's the truck. We put the back and the front wheels on. And battery pack and everything. The battery pack is actually going to go into the hood. And here's the wheels. The wheels actually don't turn because that just makes too much of a headache since it's not remote control. Just yet. There's the engine down there, there's the frame. And so we're trying to decide because this motor is actually too heavy to power this whole thing. You can power the front wheels, and if it goes like this, you can drive it. You can actually push that truck along. But with these front wheels, with all the different things they're going through, because they have a bad situation, they cannot power it. And so we're going to have to put this motor in there. Can this motor be powered? How strong is the motor? Should it be able to power this? Will it be able to connect to the battery pack? Have you tried it? Okay, so we're going to stick this motor up in there. We're just going to put a little piece right there for the thing doesn't fall off. Yeah, hopefully that works and we'll show you what it's like. Okay, so as you see, put on this new tire. There's the belt. Daniel sticks in the tire, the front tires. He's redoing it. There's the bearings right there. You can kind of see gluing, and so this new motor is on. We put a whole new bracket on the bottom to hold it. Okay, so you see, everything is right there, and so you guys can see when we turn the motor on. Let's check it out. See, where's the little? Here it is. We haven't put all the buttons. See that? And it's because, you see, so it does roll, but number one, it needs new batteries. Number two, whole new front wheel system. Alright, so we get the front wheels on. We have to redo the whole thing, but as you see, it's much stronger now. Daniel's putting lights together. Daniel's getting lights. Do it. Daniel's getting lights right there. Here's where the main here's the power source. You just open the hood and take the batteries out. And here's the other battery pack. That's going to be for lights. You see, watch. So you see, here's the main battery pack. So yeah, so we're still working. All right, so I finished it now. So see the rubber band is right there, holding there. There's the stick. Here's this piece. So pop that down. Your little hood thing. If you go in a real car, you see that. And you see, now that goes down. Actually, it needs a little more tension because it's only just holding to these wheels. So you can give it some more tension by doing that. So now, see that hood stays closed. Now, if you go inside, you see that little bar right there. Press that, and you see that. So now, you can press the bar, and then you can pop. You can take that and stick it in. You can lift it up now. There. So, that's it. Okay. Flashing its lights. Let's see the police are ahead. Turn it on. Look at this. Look, let's pop the trunk. Somebody's over there. Now, hit that little stick. Turn the lights off. Look at that.
Let me turn it on.
Okay. Yes.
We really do. That would be nice.
Yeah, it would be nice to have some both of double A.